There, we're up here working the property again. Up here leveling it out. Trying to smooth it up a little bit. So, still got a lot of whoop-de-doos in it, but working on it still. Got a couple trailer loads of crap. So this is what I do in my spare time. Lack thereof. So I'm gonna load back in here. Forklift's back over there. Anyway, that's what we're doing. Hauling crap. Some more junk vehicles. Yeah, I get a little amount of dirt. So, when you can't get a hold of me on the phone or email, I'm probably up here hauling junk. So we got all kinds of junk like this we're hauling. More vehicles. There's Dad's junk. I'm adding to it. There's some more of my vehicles. So, this below I got a bunch of wood and other stuff. There's my junk. We got lots of junk. We got on this side. Yeah, more vehicles. What a shocker. Alright, well there's what it looks like. It's not too dark. We'll take some more pictures later. For now I got more loaded to do. Unloading. Alright, we're back for second day. So, after a day of work, I'm not sure if it's any better than it was before. You get what you get, I guess, these days. So I went got another load of water in my truck. So there's about 1,200 gallons of water there in the truck, trailer. Getting ready to unload that. Operator's sleeping in late today. So, I don't know. I don't call this too smooth, but maybe I'm asking too much. You cut this back a little bit through here. I don't know. Spend all day moving crop around, but digging holes, but I don't know if they really do anything. Kind of fill this in a little bit over here, but he also knocked down the flat area that I had and dug up the packed in dirt I had over here and cut away down there where my forklift ranks the corner. It now goes downhill, which I don't like. So, oh well, we'll see how this turns out. We can always hope for better, right? So, anyway, we're going to work on this some more today. We'll see what we get by the end of the day. Hopefully it gets better than this. Tired of spending money for crap, but oh well, get what you get. I don't know how to run this thing. I can't fix it, so it is what it is. He did fill some dirt in there and over there by the containers way down there, so it's not just a big hole down there anymore, but so that's an improvement. A little bit leveler over there, so hopefully he gets this worked out better. We'll see. Like I said, we just keep plugging away at it. Next week we got 3 more containers like that coming in, so we'll put 2 more right down in there, which would block that area off, would leave a 20 foot in the middle, so you got a 40 by 100 foot blocked off area kind of. And the other one I'm put down here and block off this whole corner down here and stuff all my vehicles in there and that I care about. We'll bury them behind containers but you can't get to them. So that'll be a pretty good trick, huh? So we'll see how that works. But anyway, get back to work unloading all this stuff. We'll be back later. Alright, I'm up here dropping off my trailer. I hear him down here working, tripping over weeds. Got more junk pile. What a shocker. Oh, water truck. There you go. Mass operation of work. Got done carrying all that water up here. It's heavy. Yeah, it looks like you're getting a little leveled out finally. A new road. We're working at filling the low spot over there where the containers are at. So that's a plus. Yeah, get a little work done. So there's Mexico, if you want to see it. That's how close I am. All right. I'm back moving my junk around. Watch out for these snake holes when you step in them. Sometimes there's snakes in them snake holes. Not usually. Oh, there's Fred's trailer. Yeah, Fred's trailer's right here. Still got air in the tires. Amazing. Yeah, looks nice. There's my bathroom. It's like my house. It needs a little paint. Be fun. That's neighbors over there. They're over there playing in the dirt. Oh well. Time to get back to work. All right, it's getting dark around here. He's down there finishing up the pad, hopefully. I've been up here working on the house a little bit. Got some deck issues up here. So we cleared it up. So deck's gone. That's how you take care of the deck issue. So we're gonna backfill this with dirt when he gets done playing down below. And we'll probably put concrete later on across the top or cap or something, but for now, it was pretty unsafe. Lumber is pretty rotted out. So, as if this is safe where I'm standing. So I'm gonna backfill this all in, get it cleared out. There he is down there playing in the dirt. So, pretty far up here. So anyway, that's what we're doing on the house for now. Need a little home repair. No door. Didn't need that. That was a big drop. So need a little siding put up there, I think. Maybe next time. Anyway. So driving up and down the road 100 times here, packing it in. Parking my trailer over here for now. Yeah, definitely a lot of dirt. All right, be back in a minute.